Welcome students from Pune University. We are going to see in this video engineering chemistry MCQs with answer. Subject code is 107009. Your exam will going to start from 11th of April and this is unit 4, that is fuel and combustion. We are going to discuss some important MCQs. So first MCQ is, most of the chemical fuels contain the major heat liberating elements. These elements are carbon and hydrogen. See here answer is given, that is carbon and hydrogen. They liberate heat in fuel. Which of the following is the secondary chemical fuel? Answer is B, that is petrol is secondary chemical fuel because primary fuel contain wood, then crude oil and natural gas, and vegetable oil it is also a primary fuel. Which of the following is not a chemical fuel? Uranium is not a chemical fuel because it is a nuclear fuel. Other three are the chemical fuel. Then combustion is what? It is D, that is both B and C, that means exothermic and oxidation process. Which of the following is primary chemical fuel? Vegetable fuel is primary chemical fuel, while petrol, diesel, power, alcohol, these are the secondary fuel. Which of the following fuel is non-renewable? Coal, it is non-renewable fuel. Charcoal, vegetable oil and biodiesel, these are the renewable fuels. Then gross calorific value is the amount of heat liberated when unit mass or volume of the fuel is burned completely and dash, that means products of combustion are cooled to 15 degrees Celsius and some additional heat is collected. The relation between gross calorific value and net calorific value can be given as, see B option. This is the relation between gross calorific value and net calorific value. That means gross calorific value is greater than net calorific value. Next question is, net calorific value is the heat liberated when unit mass or volume of the fuel is burned completely and products of combustion escape with some heat. It is known as net calorific value. Latent heat of water is, it is 2450 kilojoule per kg. Then SI unit of calorific value is joule per kg. It is the SI unit. SI unit of calorific value for a gaseous fuel, it is joule per meter cube. This is for solid and liquid, and this unit is for gaseous fuel. Then question number 13, a good fuel has dash calorific value. Calorific value of good fuel should be high. Velocity of combustion for good quality of fuel is, it is controllable. Then a better quality coal should have dash percentage of volatile matter. It should be minimum. Volatile matter should be minimum. If volatile matter is more, then calorific value will be decreases. A good fuel has following calorific value and ignition point: high calorific value and moderate ignition point. Which of the following fuel occupy smaller volume? Liquid fuel, they occupy a smaller volume. Then which of the following fuels are eco-friendly? Biofuels are the eco-friendly fuels. Which of the following is not a fossil fuel? Petrol, it is not a fossil fuel. The instrument which is used for measurement of calorific value, it is which instrument? It is calorimeter, which is used for measurement of calorific value. Then function of air jacket in bomb calorimeter experiment is to minimize the heat losses, the second option, that is B option. Then calorific value of a fuel coal by using bomb calorimeter is, it is the second option, that is B. GCV is equal to W plus W into T2 minus T1 upon X calorie per gram. Then acid correction should be dash during calculation of GCV of fuel by bomb calorimeter correctly. It should be subtracted during the calculation. Acid correction should be subtracted. Then fuse wire correction should be dash during the calculation of GCV of fuel by bomb calorimeter correctly. It should be also subtracted like acid correction. Then cooling correction should be dash during calculation of GCV of a fuel by bomb calorimeter correctly. It should be added, cooling correction should be added during calculation. Bomb calorimeter, it is used for determination of what? It is used for determination of GCV at constant volume. Then question number 27 is, in the calculation of GCV of fuel by bomb calorimeter, cooling correction is added in the actual rise in temperature. In the calculation of GCV of fuel by bomb calorimeter, acid correction is, it is subtracted. Boyce calorimeter is used for measuring calorific value of gaseous fuel. Then Boyce gas calorimeter determines GCV of gas at constant pressure. In Boyce gas calorimeter experiment, heat obtained by combustion of gas after steady state is absorbed completely by circulating water. Then question number 32 is, which of the following is used as fuel for metallurgy? For metallurgy, charcoal is used as a fuel. Then which of the following statement is true? Strength of coke is higher than coal. This statement is true out of these four statements. The percentage of hydrogen element during progressive coalification is decreases. The type of coal which can be used for metallurgy is anthracite coal. It is used for metallurgy. For percentage volatile matter determination in proximate analysis of coal, the coal has to be heated to how many temperature? It is 925 degrees Celsius for 7 minutes. Then the temperature at which coal is heated in absence of air. For finding volatile matter, this temperature is 925 degrees Celsius. A higher volatile matter in coal causes what? It causes pollution in air, decreases calorific value, and elongates flame and decreases flame temperature. That means all of this. The combustion method is used for determination of what? In ultimate analysis of coal, the combustion method is used for determination of hydrogen and carbon which is present in coal. The Gildas method is used for determination of percentage of nitrogen in ultimate analysis of coal. Which of the following has property of absorbing anhydrous calcium chloride? It has property, that means it is used for absorbing moisture. Sulfur in the coal in the experiment for finding sulfur percentage get finally converted into what? It is converted into barium sulfate. Then carbon dioxide gas is acidic in nature. The gas liberated in the experiment to find nitrogen percentage in coal is ammonia gas. It is liberated when percentage of nitrogen is found in coal. Which of the following has property of absorbing carbon dioxide? KOH solution has property of absorbing carbon dioxide. A higher sulfur percentage coal is of bad quality due to what? It is because it forms sulfur dioxide, therefore it is of bad quality. The process of conversion of wood into coal, it is called as coalification. Crude oil contain mainly what? It mainly contain alkanes. The refining of petroleum means that is fractional cooling of petroleum vapors. or it is also a purification. Both statements are correct. Sulfur removal from crude oil before fractionalization is done with hot CuO. Then gasoline or petrol has boiling point range is 60 to 120 degrees Celsius. The fraction from which lubricating oils are obtained, it is a heavy oil from which lubricating oils are obtained. Knocking is the spark ignition type of engine or petrol engine is because of what? It is because of instant ignition. Cetane number of dash is 100. Cetane number of N-hexadecane, it is 100. When the knocking tendency of petrol matches with the knocking tendency of mixture of 65% isooctane and 35% N-heptane, the octane number of petrol is 65.